Hi there. Thank you so much for joining Keepsake Quilting. My name is Liz, and I'd like to talk to you today about one of my favorite times of year. Since the sun is out, it's 90 degrees, everyone's at the beach, and I'm thinking about holiday. I've got my Keepsake Quilting catalog, and I'm browsing through it to get some great ideas for handmade gifts for my loved ones this holiday season. I'm a little bit of a slow worker, so I like to give myself a long time to get those gifts ready for gifting. Now, I'd also like to say that there's a question a lot of people ask and nobody answers, and that is, where do the garden gnomes go in the winter? Thanks to Henry Glass Fabrics, we've got that for you. They go into the woods and become Timber Gnomies. This year, we've got a really adorable collection of fabrics by Henry Glass called Timber Gnomies. With these fabrics, you can make this twin-size quilt in no time at all because we've put everything together for you in the Timber Gnomies quilt kit. This has all the fabrics that you'll need to make this, aside from the batting and the backing. I'd like to show you some of the fabrics included in the collection. Most of them are used in the quilt. They're all available by the yard, and so you can make anything with them that is festive and holiday. You're only limited by your creativity. Thinking things like tree skirts, holiday pillows, table runners, wherever your imagination will bring you. So the first things we have in the collection are some great holiday basics with a Gnomie twist. We've got a black and white check, the red and black check, beautiful holiday stars on a white background and also on a red background, and the very popular holiday plaids. And you can see them here inside the quilt. We've got the plaids here, the checks here, and the stars are right on in here. Those are our basics, but we also have some fabrics that will show you what gnomies do all winter. Here are our funny little friends. They've got big hats and big beards and kind of a hipster vibe, if you know what I mean. They're on a really nice neutral background and works really well with all the bright colors around them. And here's something that the gnomies like to do in their spare time, which is axe throwing. But don't worry, they're experienced mountaineers. No gnomies were harmed in the making of this fabric. Now, gnomies living in the forest all winter make a lot of friends with the animals. And the animals are kind enough to give them bear rides and reindeer rides. And these cutesy little beavers, those are their pets. So while we love our dog and our cats, the gnomies love their beavers. And just like us, they also like to have a lot of fabrics about their pets. So these are the gnomie beavers. They've got the same great big hats as their loved ones. And they carry around a big stick of wood just in case they get hungry. Our gnomie riders are having a great time riding around with their bears and being pulled by reindeers under the watchful eyes of their pet beavers. We also have the gnomie block, which can be used as a whole piece, as a pillow, or the focal point of a banner or a wall kit, but it can also be cut into smaller pieces to be used in individual projects. There is the pack gnomies, which I had to show you, but unfortunately, I couldn't resist. I made a stocking stuffer out of it. My pack gnomies mask is going to be in everybody's stocking this year. I made this using my Creative Grids face mask template. Super easy. It took about 15 minutes, including the cutting time. This is the grid, and you'll see it comes in 3 different sizes: large, medium, and small. And a feature I particularly like is that it's got lineups for pleats, so you get a really good fit with the mask. I'm so glad you joined us today and got a preview of the holiday collection. Merry Christmas in July to you and to yours, and we hope you'll join us again next time. Please subscribe to our video channel so you can see all of the great content that we're going to be providing for you. Have a great holiday.